this year in our Talaverse. I stand with you as we champion everyday heroes, mga Pilipinong katulad ko na hangad ay magsimula, lumaban ng patas at umangat. Ang sabi ko nga, ngayon, may powers ka na rin. I've walked journeys of courage and authenticity, and I see that same strength in every one of you. At kasama po natin ang Tala, we embrace patas na ang laban because when we share trust, tools, and access, every single life becomes a very heroic story. Let us all ignite hope, spark, transformation, and rise together in this new universe kung saan may kasama ka na para makalaban ng patas sa buhay. Mabuhay ang bawat kwento natin.